In chapter 4 climate, today we will discuss about the northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon is the monsoon, the trade winds which blow during the season of retreating monsoon. So directly when we are talking about northeast monsoon, we are discussing about the season of retreating monsoon. The timing of retreating monsoon season or the season when northeast monsoon blow, this is October and November. Southwest monsoon became weak as low pressure trough of Satluj Ganga plain start moving southward with the shifting in position toward the south. In the month of southwest monsoon, during the onset of monsoon, a low pressure trough of ITCZ is located here. But this low pressure area starts shifting toward the south as the shifting apparent position of sun toward the south. Very first monsoon start retreating from the western Rajasthan by first week of September, and this withdraw from Rajasthan, Gujarat, western Ganga plain, Malwa plateau, that is called Central Highland, by the end of September. And by the beginning of October, the low pressure area reaches in Bay of Bengal, and in early November it moved over the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. In the month of August, this low pressure area is here, but this low pressure area from the Ganga plain shifted toward the south. In the month of October it's here, and by November and December this reaches over the eastern part of Peninsular Plateau in Tamil Nadu, parts of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. And by middle of December this low pressure area completely removed from peninsular India. Weather condition during the cyclone during this northeast monsoon season, that is rotating season of monsoon, is quite different than the previous southwest monsoon. This season marked by the clear sky and rise in temperature all of a sudden as they start withdrawing. A high pressure area occur in the northwestern part of the country, and there is a rise in temperature due to clear sky. The land is moist because recently rain has been over in the month of August. Due to high temperature and high humidity, weather became oppressive. This oppressive weather is commonly known as October heat. By the end of October, temperature in North India falls rapidly. Reason is that in the month of September, the apparent position of sun is near the equator, and after that it starts shifting toward the south. It's mean this region of country is far away from the apparent or the vertical sun rays. That's why the temperatures start declining over here due to the shifting position of sun toward the southern hemisphere. And but it is rain in the eastern part of peninsula, especially in Coromandel coast. It is the season of northeast trade wind. Eastern coastal part of the country receives sufficient rain during the retreating season of monsoon due to cyclonic depression which originate over the Bay of Bengal near the Andaman Sea. Tropical cyclone, are less frequent in the Arabian Sea. During the month of retreating season of monsoon, this part of India receive rain from the northeast monsoon. That is Tamil Nadu coast, and this part of the country, which include the Sundarban Delta, Mahanadi Delta, and Krishna Godavari Delta, means Northern Sarkar and the Delta of Bengal. This receive rain, significant rain from the cyclone which occur over here from the Andaman Sea. This is Andaman Sea. Here some tropical cyclone occur in the month of September and October, and they start moving toward the east and reach toward the west, and they causes rain in the eastern coastal part of the country. This sometime these cyclonic depression are responsible for significant rain in the parts of Coromandel coast, but these cyclones are not common here in the western coastal part of the country. They are most common and most notorious to do rain and disaster in this part, because these cyclonic depression which occur in the this cyclone depression which occur in the northern part of the this eastern coastal plains are caused by tropical cyclone, and these tropical cyclone are very destructive in this. Visakhapatnam and Bhubaneswar are such region, are the city which are very popular for tropical cyclone. This thickly populated delta of Godavari and Krishna, Kaveri and Mahanadi are the preferred target by these cyclones every year. These cyclones which come from here and move toward the eastern coastal part of India, they bring disaster in this region, and many people die every year, and large amount of crop are destroyed. A few cyclone storms also strike the coast of West Bengal here. But these cyclones are not frequented in this region. Sometime like recently Nisarg cyclone have been strike here over the coast of Mumbai and Gujarat. But these are very rare. Right? Thank you.